Mick Cotton's Barbecue. Mick Cotton at work today, Monday, September 7th. This is my view from work. I'm at work doing opera for Skagit Maple Cook. Birds of Paradise. These took about a year or two to grow, but they're beautiful. Birds of Paradise. We got some little cactus. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Birds of Paradise. I was at work downtown LA at Dorothy Chandler. Brand new skyscraper. It wasn't there two years ago, being built downtown LA. We got the LA courthouse right there across the street. Grand Avenue, 135 North Grand. And look, right outside the door where I work, we got burgers. Pick up Upstage Burger. We got burgers. Upstage Burger. Backstage Burger. Cheeseburger. Upstage Burger. Turkey Burger. Beyond Burger. Upstage Hot Dog. How much is the hot dog? $5.
Hey Chris, we're gonna travel the light bar back
Order.
to the other spike park we have on that.
Dorothy Chandler. There's a Walt Disney Concert Hall right there. Beautiful jacaranda tree. Huge. This is for Laura Steckler. I'm going to do this in our front yard. I'm going to get a little palm like this and plant some birds of paradise. Look at these. They're beautiful. It's 11 o'clock. We're doing lighting and rehearsal. Mick Cotton's Barbecue. We'll go in real quick and end this video. It's a nice day. Maui built. Trovatore. Kelsey Grammer. He was here a year and a half ago. Great job. Great singer. Great actor.
What? Come on. Hi.
I went over that rail piece and you need all these brake marks to that one fan.